Alright guys, I'm going to teach you how to make a security virtual machine today. A lot of people need one. Virtual machines are just safe because it's a secure sandbox desktop inside your already unsecure desktop, I guess you could say. The first thing we're going to do is you're going to want to go to virtualbox.org. When you go to virtualbox.org, this is going to pop up. You're going to see download VirtualBox 7.0. Go ahead and click that and download it. I've already got it downloaded, so I'm not going to have to do that. Today we're going to install Parrot Security. ParrotOS is a security operating system. It is probably one of the best up there with Kali. So we're going to install that in a virtual machine today. You're going to want to go to download. And once you hit download, you're going to see all these editions. You're going to want the security edition. That's what we're working on today. You're going to download this right here. I already have it downloaded, so we're not going to go through that. But, read through all this. There's a home edition, hack the box, cloud edition, architect, and even for your Raspberry Pi. So you can download all those as you please. Next, once all that's done downloading, you're going to pop up with something like this. Your first thing you're going to want to do is you want to click New. You're going to make a new virtual machine, and we're going to name it. We're going to name this Parrot Sec for Parrot Security. Store it whatever folder you want to. You can go to your ISO image. You're going to see right there, Parrot Security. Okay, and it's going to fill all these boxes in for you. It's a Linux type, version Debian 64-bit. You hit Next. Now all these, to create your virtual machine, you're going to want to modify your hardware. So I personally move it all the way to the edge of the green just to give it, depending on how many processors you have or CPUs you have. I have 8, so I'm going to half it with 4. All right, next you're going to create your virtual hard disk. This is going to be your virtual hard drive inside your virtual machine. This will not actually store information on your actual desktop. It'll store it in like a virtual cloud type deal. Usually it'll have it automatically set to what it wants you to have, so 20 gigabytes is fine. And that's about it. You're going to hit Next. And here's your summary. So your summary is here. You're going to hit Finish. But you're not done yet. So don't click into it. Don't do anything like that. You're going to go to Settings. When you go to Settings, you're going to go to your system. You're going to make sure that your base memory is good. That's all you want to mess with there. You go to Processor. Make sure all of this is right. All of that's right. Display. Your video memory. You're going to want to move all that all the way up. Depending on how many monitors you have, it can do dual monitor. It's up to you. I only use one monitor when I do virtual machines. So we'll go over to storage. As you can see, all the storage right here is set up. That's your IDE and your SATA port. And that's really all we're going to mess with in here. After that, you're going to hit OK. Then we're going to start the virtual machine. And it's going to power on. And you're going to get a little box like this. It's going to say Oracle Virtualbox. And bam. You're going to click inside of it. Hit Enter. Try and install. You're going to hit your right control to be able to come in and out. Exit out of all this. And we're going to adjust the screen size. It's going to show like weird messages, but don't worry about that. Scaled mode is what you want to go. And bam, now you're scaled right here. Now this is all wonky and big, so you're going to go to System, Control Center. You're going to go to your... Oh, what's the wrong thing? That was Control Scissor. What the hell? Where's this at? Displays. Sorry, it's so big I can't see shit. And then you're going to just move your mouse up. You don't have to click. And then 1920 by 1080. Refresh rate. Whatever you want, apply that. Keep this configuration. Then you can go ahead and exit out of all this. Close. All right. And you've created a virtual machine for Parrot Security to do pen testing, anything you like that. Here's your pen testing tools. You have all your tools right here. So, have fun. Hack the world. Be safe. Love you guys.